G'day everyone. It has been 881 days since I last uploaded a video. In that time, a lot has happened, so let me explain. Alright, so 16th of July 2023, right before I went on tour with my band to Europe, I uploaded my last video, Should I Rotor Swap My Wagon? Which I haven't, by the way. But I'll make a video about that. After I came back from that Europe tour, which was awesome, by the way. Fuck yeah! I decided that I was going to put that energy into my band. I was feeling very sort of disenchanted with things in general in my life and the workshop and stuff. So I went on tour again at the start of 2024 with a Spanish band called Angeles Apatrida. We did the Pacific Rim, like Southeast Asia and Seoul, Korea, Japan and China, all of Australia, New Zealand.
Real new cats.
And at the end of the tour, I just had this crushing sort of something came over me. I didn't want to go home. I wanted to stay on the road. And I just sort of thought it out and realized that it was what I was coming home to and things had to change. So essentially I decided to close the shop, and my lease was up in March. I knew March 24 wasn't enough time, so I thought March 25 would be plenty of time. I actually ended up getting out of the shop at the end of June 25.
Well, I gotta say, this is very strange, seeing the shed this empty. But that's it. It's all over. Wonder if the camera picks up the echo. Echo! The end of me paying ridiculous amounts of rent every month.
And basically I just, was having a lot of lower and upper back issues from sanding, buffing, that kind of thing. Very hard on my body, pushing cars by myself, putting panels on cars by myself, really just taxing on my body. I also had the obvious chemical issues, sanding paint, sanding body filler, spraying, wearing spray suits, wearing full face masks, all that kind of thing, but still getting out of the booth, being able to smell it on my skin, on my clothes, all that kind of thing, in my shoes. And I just decided that one day I'm going to be 65 and regret not getting out of this. And think to myself, why didn't I do this 20 years ago? So 20 years ago is now. You know, it's my 42nd birthday this week, and I just decided that it was time to get out. The process was incredibly grueling, really, really working hard to finish customer jobs, keep my word, that kind of thing. I've had one or two jobs run over. My friend Matt, who owns Lonsdale Crash, has helped me out immensely with those. So yeah, basically everything's gone. All of the equipment, the spray booth, the hoists, tools, compressors, everything, all got sold. The office got pulled down, and I basically left the shed empty, which was the wishes of the owner and the land agent. The building actually changed hands 3 times while I was there, and the rent just kept going up and up and up and up, and it just got to a point where it just wasn't viable anymore. I basically just had to make a wage each week, $1,000, $1,200 just to cover the expenses. So I was essentially just working on my own and killing myself for nothing. Opportunities have come my way. I'm currently working for Jay down at Low Standards. Some of you who follow his channel might have seen me pop up in his videos. Not really doing any panel beating or painting, mainly doing just mechanical stuff and wiring and that kind of thing. And my friend Matt, who helped me out up at Lonsdale Crash, I've been doing some work for him as well. I thought this would be a good opportunity to sort of look back on everything that I did at Bennett's Garage, all of the cars that I sprayed, some of the things that I did, and I want to get back into the content. I'm probably going to go in a slightly different direction with it, but I've still got all my cars. I've still got my green wagon. I've still got my red 929. I've nearly finished my Luce. I've still got other cars that haven't been seen on camera before that I want to build. Fuck yeah! And I'm really looking forward to the next chapter. So I've changed the name of the channel from Bennett's Garage just to Phil Bennett. I kind of figured that I don't have the business anymore. Maybe that would be a good way to go. Pretty regularly get comments on YouTube and on Facebook and social media and stuff about what's happening with my red car, what's happening with my green wagon. So thanks for watching, and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy this montage of stuff that I did, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a future video very soon.
I see you smile in the simple things that make me stay a while. A photograph on the mantle, a favorite song. Everywhere I turn I feel like you belong. Yeah.
Laters, shed. Thanks for the memories.